Today is that day. You know what day that is? The day I'm getting an electric lawnmower. I've been talking about it for the last 2 seasons. Well, I'm gonna go get it now. I'm out of gas in the lawnmower. I'm out of gas in the gas can. So it's obviously time to get an electric lawnmower, right? What better time? And I want to go to the gas station and I want to fill up on gas. I need an oil change, probably for a couple seasons. Haven't done it. I won't need to do an oil change on this one, so I'm really looking forward to that. Here we go. New lawnmower time. I haven't bought a new lawnmower for a long time. Last lawnmower I bought was from Sears. So that's been a while ago. Sears has been closed for a while here in town. Let's go. Target is acquired. Ego in the back. All right, got it picked up. Was looking for a tool only lawnmower at Ace, and they have them online, but they don't have any in the store that are the tool only. So I just decided to get one with the battery and a charger, knowing that it's only like $100 more from what my research showed me. And the battery for the 7.5 amp is a $400 battery, $150 charger, so I'll have a backup charger and a backup battery for that matter. The mower only needs 1 battery, so I have 3 batteries now, but the plan is to get some other accessories and a weed eater and maybe a blower too, so I'll have other batteries to do the job whenever I need to. I have a charged battery from my snowblower. Drop that in and we're gonna take this thing for a spin. here's the finished front yard. Wasn't very tall. It's late August. The grass is not all that thick. We have been getting some good rain, and I've been watering a lot. Very green, very dark green. Thanks to Action Lawn for keeping it green. My fertilizer dries. Definitely a different feel for a lawnmower from somebody who's been mowing their entire life with combustion engine mowers. It is a little bit of a change. I like the self-propelled in it. It's very smooth. You got multiple settings and how fast you want to go. It's light. It's very light, easy to move around. Might not even need self-propelled in my small yard, but I have it. A lot of battery power left. Bigger part of my yard is the back, so we'll see how long that takes and how much battery it uses, but didn't have a full charge when I started. But I think I'll be able to make it. Should be able to finish the back with that. The weird thing is the sound. It sounds like a fan. It sounds like a big floor fan just running, but it's really quiet, so that's nice. I did not have to add any oil or gas to it, so that's the best part. So far, I think this thing has exceeded my expectations. Pretty happy with it. Very powerful without sounding like a gas mower that's just revving with loud. I don't have to wear headphones anymore and drown it out in music. I can actually hear the cicadas, locusts, if you will. They were louder than the mower was. So that tells you something right there about how quiet this thing runs. Tons of battery left. I didn't even use all what I had, and it wasn't even fully charged, so pretty cool, pretty excited. This is pretty neat. It's a good purchase.